today we're going to be making American fried pasta. Let's get started. First we have to get like this pasta. It has like all the colors of the American flag. Most of them are white and some of them are red. I still didn't see any blues in there.
Now we have to salt the boiling water.
Boil it for 5 minutes. Looks like they're all ready. When the pasta is finished boiling, you can separate the water to a strainer basket. When you finish separating the pasta with the strainer basket, you can put some butter into it to make it a buttery and like so slimy. It'll make it taste so much better. When the batter has melted, you put the pasta onto a bowl or plate.
We have stars, flags. Aww. It's time to try it.
Tastes good. It's so buttery. The red ones are probably not going to be my favorite.
It's so interesting to eat personalized pasta. Happy.
Thanks for watching.